Okay guys, this question here is just looking at a queuing question from the revision test. It's the question 6.1 about the ferry to Fraser Island. It doesn't leave until all passengers have boarded and there's no queue. It takes 30 seconds to buy a ticket. When boarding started, there are 25 people there waiting and someone arrives once every 2 minutes. How long till the ferry can depart? Follow along with the question as we go. It's a little bit ambiguous because it doesn't say that as soon as the gates open, we know that there is going to be, I've got 2-minute increments, so 30 seconds per person would mean that 4 people can get served in those first 2 minutes. It then doesn't say whether someone arrives when boarding starts. I'm going to go and assume, I think the solutions are done up like this. So I've got 4 customers served. Okay, I had 25 there, so 4 served take me down to 21. And then I add the one that's arrived to get 22. The next 2 minutes, 4 people can be served and I'll have 1 person arrive. So we go down to 18, back up to 19 people. Again, 4 people served, 1 arrives, which will take us down to 15, back up to 16 because the arrival. So each time we know that there's 4 people arriving and 1 person being served. We can see a bit of a pattern here because it's a consistent service time. We can probably now go and speed this up a little bit until we get down to this point here. All right. So what that means so far, we've got 3 people left in our queue. Okay. And 16 minutes have passed. I know it only says that we're here and this is 14, but that's the 14th and the 15th minute. Okay, so now we're into the 16th minute. We are going to have 4 people served again, okay, which means we're actually going to go to -1, and that 1 other person will come along and we'll actually end up serving 4 people in those next 2 minutes. Okay, so therefore we've got 17 minutes to serve everyone.